my name is Abby. Welcome to our BC Heritage Week craft video. BC Heritage Week runs from February 21st to 27th and explores the many ways that heritage engagement requires creativity and unique solutions to reach various people in our community. Our craft kits are designed to offer a fun and accessible craft for families and individuals to make at home. Today we are making felted soap. You can use any soap for this activity, and if you have any allergies or sensitivities, please use whatever soap works best for your skin.
The history of soap and felt making goes back thousands of years. Felt is a dense fabric made with natural wool fibers. Felt works well in combination with soap because of its resistance to deterioration. Wool is exfoliating and has antibacterial qualities, and the soap creates a nice lather without wasting its suds. Long before people used loofahs or washcloths for bathing, felted soap allowed you to get a creamy lather without using too much soap and gave you a built-in washcloth. So, if you have picked up your kit, you can take your supplies out of the bag and we will get started. If you are gathering your own supplies, here's what you'll need. A few ounces of 100% roving wool in any fun color you choose. 1 or several bars of soap. The toe portion plus 8 inches of nylon stocking. Warm tap water. Once you've gathered your supplies, take several colors of roving and pull the wool into 2 sections measuring around 4 to 5 inches square. Wrap this wool around the bar of soap in your desired pattern. Being careful not to move the wool too much, place the wrapped bar of soap into the nylon stocking and tie a knot in the top. With water that is as warm as you can stand it, begin rubbing the bar vigorously through the nylon. Continue for at least 10 minutes or until the wool feels felted and not loose under your hands. Remove the soap from the nylon stocking and place on a towel to dry. That's it. Enjoy using this colorful and exfoliating soap next time you wash your hands or shower. For more fun craft ideas, visit our DIY blog on our website. You can find the link to our website in the description box below this video. We wish you all a fun felting adventure.